let me show you how you can add shapes to your project in Photopea. Simply head to the left and there will be a shape tool with the icon of the last shape used. Usually it's rectangle, but if you use ellipse, it will be ellipse at the top. So hit for that rectangle, press and hold to see other shapes. To draw the shape, simply click, hold your mouse down and drag the shape like that. It's a vector shape, so you can easily change the color of it. We can also scale this shape around without losing quality. So there's a rectangle, there's ellipse as well. There's a line tool, and we can decide how thick the line will be. We must decide that before we draw the line. What's next? There's also parametric shape, when we can have control how many sides are we drawing. So we got 5 sides by default, but we can change that and end up with different shape. We can modify the corner radius as well to get those corners a bit rounded. You can move from polygon to star. There's arrow as well, and even spiral. And the last tab, that's for custom shapes. Custom shapes are selected from this short gallery over here. We got alphabet, animals, arrows, icons. So there are hundreds of them. So you can simply grab the custom shape you need, like this spider, and then you draw it the same way. Click and hold, and here it is. And remember, it's really easy to change the color, as this is also a vector shape. If you want to change the color afterwards, you can always click on that, double tap in the layer panel, and we can modify the color of vector shapes pretty quickly. In the worst case scenario that you cannot find a shape that you need, you can import SVG shapes as well, or draw them yourself using pen tools. Alright, so that's how you draw shapes in Photopea.